What up, YouTube fam? Just got home from work. Today was Lily's last day. I'm super fatigued today. I don't think I'm eating enough calories. For those of you who don't know, I fast. I participate in intermittent fasting, just for the health benefits and obviously the benefits it does for you know, for weight loss and muscle building and getting your HGH up and your testosterone up, cutting out fat. And I don't think I'm eating enough calories in my feeding window though, and it's taking a toll on me, especially at work. I feel sluggish, slow, fatigued, man. So I have like really low energy right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm about to go to the gym, bang out a workout. I've already broke my fast, so I'm getting back to normal, but I'm finding myself breaking my fast earlier and earlier when I don't eat enough the day before. So like some days I'll be great and I'll break my fast at like 2 o'clock and I'll eat until like 8 or 10 or however long I want to keep my window open that day. But then some days like today, like I found myself at like 10 o'clock, 10:30, like really like, oh my God, I need food. I'm sluggish, I'm like, I'm a zombie. So I'm gonna bang out a workout. Lily's still at work. Today is her last day and I'm so excited for her. She's gonna begin a new chapter of her life and I'm so proud of her because it's something that I know she really wants and something that I've kind of pushed her to do. And I'm so proud of her for actually taking action and taking the steps needed to get to where she wants to be next. It's obviously not her final destination, but it's a leap for her progression as a person, professionally speaking. So she did it all on her own. I mean, obviously with the help of me and, you know, her family and you know, her support system, but, you know, props to her because she's making stuff happen. So I love you. Great job. Layered up right now. Gonna get a sweat in. Catch up with you guys after. Boom. She's done. She's done. She's done. Done. We are gonna go get some food just to celebrate her on her next journey. Nothing crazy, nothing extravagant, just a quick bite. I gotta go back tomorrow. Hey, how you doing? I was gonna try not to gel the hair, but I think I'm gonna have to. Good morning everyone. How are we doing today? Thank you for watching. I am currently on my way to my 9 to 5. It is Saturday and it's my day to work. My Saturday to work. So I'm gonna go bang out that shift and then I think that I'm going to go hang out with some of my friends. It was recently my friend Zach's birthday, so I think I'm gonna go see them. Really sucks because Lily's home today, so I don't get to see her really that much. Also sucks that I'm so far away from my friends, you know? I feel like I just was close to them and then I moved back about an hour away. It's just so hard to get together. Everyone's, you know, growing up doing their own thing and they're all close and I get like such fear of like missing out and I feel really guilty when I don't, or I feel guilty that I don't see them that often, you know, not nearly as often as I would like. I see them once every few months. It really it's a drag, you know. My friends for so long. Yeah, so I'm gonna see them tonight. Lily's gonna come with me, I think, I hope. But I know she's gonna see Whitney. Y'all know my girl Whitney. She just got back from Italy and she brought us some cheese and some wine. Maybe just cheese. But still some cheese. Fresh cheese from the farm. I don't know if you guys, if you have ever been to, you know, ever been to Europe or a farm for that matter and gotten fresh cheese or anything like that, is absolutely delicious. I do not recommend eating it on the farm because it kind of tastes like someone scooped it out of a goat's butt. And that's just the truth. I think like once it like gets off the farm and kind of clears up, I don't know, maybe it's just because you're on the farm and you can smell, like, you know, that farm smell. Yeah, but I've had like fresh, like fresh, like literally just came out the, whatever it comes out of. I'll have to Google that. Like fresh out the pot cheese, and it is absolutely delicious. But again, that smell of like of farm kind of like ruined it. But yeah, I'm on my way there, and I will check in with you guys a little later. Woo! Also, quickly, going back to what I was saying last evening before Lily and I went out. So we went out and we got some amazing food. A lot better than I expected, but I definitely ate enough yesterday. Like I was saying, definitely got all my calories in, probably more than I would have liked. But I am bulking, baby, so I'll take it. I think that's one of the reasons I'm so freaking energized this morning, because I haven't even had coffee yet, and I have a coffee every morning. I have a tea, and then a little bit later, like later in the morning, I'll have coffee. But I usually have green tea just to kind of help get the fat burning process started. So I usually have a little bit of caffeine, but I haven't had any caffeine this morning, and you can tell that I'm normal. You can tell that my energy level is up here where it normally is, and that I'm loving life. Just got back home, feeling great. It was a great day. Made some money, did some things. Life is good. I am gonna go to my buddy Zach's. I hope you guys realize that I'm literally not joking when I say that this is my life. This is my life. Sleeping Beauty. Morning. How you guys doing? The last night we went out to celebrate Zach's birthday. Did a little bit of drinking, had some food. Nothing too crazy. It was good to see my buds again. It was good to, you know, for Lily and I to go out and have a little bit of fun. She's just relaxing right now. I'm about to head to the gym. Sweat off some of this alcohol. Yeah, and then we're just gonna kind of chill. I gotta send some more stuff over to my accountant, and that's pretty much it. It's like rainy and dreary. I think it's just gonna be a nice relaxing Sunday. And this way, in the bed, resting. Guess who had her first day of work of her new job?
Me.
That's right.
And it was great.
The Shui baby. So happy for her. Because I'm dying. So happy for her. Went great. Pre-workout. Pump some iron. And then we'll come back and finish some tasks. AKA get the rest of the information that I had to pull for some of my utility expenses and give it to the accountant so I can get some money back for my taxes.
I thought you did that yesterday.
I did, but remember we couldn't get the sewer stuff
Oh yeah,
online,
that's right.
so I had to call them up and have them send it to me.
Oh, good.
So that's all I need.
Why do you sound so angry?
I don't know. And then I'll finally get this uploaded, I think.
I hope it wasn't covering the speaker.
Rookie.
Yipe.
Totally was covering the speaker. Alright, so hopefully you heard all that. If you didn't, I don't care. I'm not editing it. Because this is raw, baby. Raw.
Oh, okay.
What?
I'm just gonna flip up the screen for you.
Oh, thank you. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.